Hi friends, today we're going to draw a baby fox. Let's get started. First, let's draw two lungs for his head. His head looks like a triangle. Remember not to connect all the three lungs. We have to leave some space for her fur. Now let's draw her nose and mouth in the lower part of the triangle, followed by two closed eyes. Now she looks cute and happy. Let's draw some zigzag lines for her fur. Now add her left ear. Repeat the same thing for her right ear. Do you know that the fox has much bigger ears than a cat? Now let's add a bit more fur. We've done drawing her face. Let's move on to her body. Draw two curved lines for her chest. Let's move on to her front paws. Let's draw her right foot and leg. She sits on the ground. Connect two paws for her tummy. Now let's move on to her tail. Did you know that foxes use their tails for communication? When a fox is excited or happy, its tail tends to stand straight up, as you see in the drawing. Now let's add more details to her head and face.
Hooray!
We've done drawing our fox. Let's color it in. You can use whatever color you like. And remember to pause the video if you need more time. Did you know that foxes have many colors, including red, gray, silver, and even black? What color do you like the most? We've done drawing our baby fox. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time. Bye!